Obviously the wife's not happy, look what's broke. The bit that catches all the water on the dryer. So let's get the plastic welder out, do some plastic welding. First off, we'll just marry it up. Yeah, it's definitely the right way. Slots right in. Like Cinderella's foot in that silly glass shoe, which would break if you walked on it. Silly idea. Like last time, I'm going to use these ones. So I think that's going to be best. Give it the best stability. So I think what I'll do is let it glow red. Right, we'll glue that in now. Ah. Keep it there to rest. I'm moving that far too quick. There we go. First one in. Stable. So next one in the gun. See how hot that is? Alright, keep this one nice and steady. I think we'll put it there. Let go of the trigger. Let's let that cool down this time. Last one. Last one. Pretty solid that. Happy with that. However, I've also got the plastic smoother. Haven't tried it yet, and you're going to be the first one to see, as well as me. First things first, you snip these off. Bink. Sharp, sharp, and sharp. Means I can get the L grinder out again. Much better. I still wouldn't lick it though. I reckon it'll cut my tongue. Let's try this thing out then, eh? Wonder if it works. Can't tell if this is heating up. Let's test it. At 13. I'll keep this trigger in for a little bit, then I'll come back to you. Answer is no. Yeah, I've pushed further in. See if that makes a difference. Makes no difference whatsoever. So my plans have been foiled by a con. I'll just use one of the little staples to try and smooth it over. See how that works. Let's have a look. So we'll heat this little baby up. And we'll do the same one. Oh, heard a crack. Probably a good one, because now I know I'll not crack it again in the future because I've cracked it. However, it's still pretty solid and I think it's going to do. Let's chuck it in the dryer. Lovely jobbly. Job's a good un. However, if you really want to help me out and see me until the day you die, hit a like and a subscribe. And until then, goodbye.